We're in the final hour before market close, and extreme fear is gripping the market at just 25 out of 100. The question isn't whether we're seeing volatility, it's how deep this pullback runs into the close. The Nasdaq is taking the heaviest hit today, down 387 points or 1.47%. The S&P 500 is sliding 38 basis points to 7,533, while the Dow is holding up relatively better, down just 105 points at a 0.2% loss. The VIX has actually cooled slightly to 15.67, suggesting some calm underneath the surface. The Fed funds rate sits steady at 3.63%, keeping policy pressure consistent. Here's what's driving the action. Tech stocks are getting hammered in power hour as profit-taking accelerates into the close. Intel dropped 5.83% after semiconductor weakness hit the sector hard. AMD followed suit, bleeding 5.31% as investors flee growth stories. Goldman Sachs got crushed down 4.91%, suggesting financial sector pressure is real and spreading. But not everything is red in this market. Salesforce is leading gainers up 3.42%, catching bid interest from enterprise software buyers. Costco is absolutely soaring, up 3.14% on $28 of buying pressure. MasterCard rallied 3.2% alongside Visa, which gained 2.7%. Payment networks are the biggest winners today, suggesting defensive positioning is shifting toward resilient cash flows. Your mega-cap tech giants are split right down the middle. Apple is up 1.74% and Microsoft up 1.36%, but Google cratered 4.51% on the day. Amazon lost 1.98%, Nvidia is red 2.38%, and Meta tumbled 2.48%. The narrative is crystal clear. Mega-cap concentration is breaking, and rotation is happening now. Analyst consensus is still overwhelmingly bullish on these names, though. Amazon has 70 buy ratings from analysts versus 0 sells. Google sits at 60 buys with 0 sells. Nvidia shows 64 buy recommendations against just 1 sell. This disconnect between analyst optimism and today's selling pressure is exactly what creates closing opportunities. Watch the closing print closely. If we break below 75.30 on the S&P, tomorrow opens with serious downside momentum. Conversely, if buyers step in during the final 15 minutes and we close above 75.40, that's a bullish reversal.